Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we check how to fix archive story missing or not working on Instagram, so let's start. So I will give you two options to do it. The first option is going to Instagram, and then on Instagram let's go to our profile here, and then on our profile let's go to the three lines on the top right corner here, and then here just right here story or archive. Okay, just right here on the search. Let's wait a little bit, and here appears the option archive. Just click there, and as you can see, well, appears all my stories archive. But if it don't appear this option, let's go to stories archive, and then let's go to the three dots, and you can go to settings, and you can check if the save story to archive is activated. But if it's disactivate or is not activate here, just activate again. Okay, so that is the first option. Now you can add see the archive stories. Now another option that you can do it is keep press the Instagram logo, and then let's go to app info, and then here just go to the part that says clear data. Okay, just clear data, clear all the cache, and when you clear all data, just back and try to start logging on your Instagram account. So guys, that's how it works. I hope this is useful for you. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and give a thumbs up to this video.